7. We will leave here together.
Together.
Come on, Hattie. We're gonna save Hattie once and for all.
Yep. Or maybe in the end, Hattie dies.
That would be sad.
Yeah, that would be sad.
Why is there just gems right over here? All of them.
Probably like a whole entire obstacle course.
But why is it just all in one spot?
Okay, so
Okay.
we need to find a way to get them.
Yeah, but okay, whatever. You're not getting the point I'm trying to make. I'm trying to say like, why is it all like this variety and shit?
Yeah.
Oh, Andrew.
Oh, I get it.
Yeah, I get it too. I must throw. Go. How do I get over there?
Wait, hold on. Just wait for that thing. Yeah, go.
Yeah, it worked.
Oh, no, let's go.
Boat. Yeah, we good.
Alright.
Oh,
what the fuck?
we got the block. No, I think you're
Oh.
there.
There we go.
Easy. Get in there. Sorry, wrong one. No. Get in there.
No.
Get out of the way, Andrew.
No.
Oh wait, it's still going. It's still going.
Here. Wait,
Get out of the way.
Pass to me. Oh, fuck. Okay, wait. Hold on. Ready?
Go.
Fuck. I'm still blocking it.
Are we doing something wrong?
Wait, hold on. Just hold it there. Aw.
What is going on?
12 seconds later.
I don't know.
Okay, wait.
Oh, I've done it.
Oh, there we go.
What? Now it goes all the way back here. Yeah, it goes in there. Why?
Oh. Tony, Josh. Oh.
You gotta go in here, and then you do this. Now look. Ooh! But we need another block.
We need another block. Alright. So
Where do we get the other block? Over here? No.
I don't have anything.
Hasn't opened that yet. Anything over here that opened? Nope.
Maybe?
No, nothing's over there.
Oh. Okay. So does that mean...
Oh! That means nothing.
Throw!
Come! I will grab you! I'm never letting go.
Jack, don't let go.
Oh, it opened up this! With the boat.
No! I didn't mean to do that.
It's fine. I'm here. Woo! Wait a sec. How do we get the yarn?
Wait, what? Oh.
Oh! I think I know what's supposed to happen. We were supposed to grab the boat and then make it so that it goes in the water over here.
Oh, Toad.
Not my fault. All your fault. I can't lift it unless.
Oh. Yeah, that's how you do it, Tony.
Damn it!
Yeah, okay, I have an idea.
I have an idea. Maybe like after I die, you gotta jump on my head, and then after you die, I gotta jump on your head.
Ready?
What are you doing? Oh. No! We're so close!
I can actually do it. Okay,
Yeah, we probably could.
Drop down, jump. Aw.
Fuck.
I have to jump down and get it.
No, I got an idea. Once I die, you jump on my head, and then...
There we go.
Let's go! We cheated the system. Yes.
What the
Oh!
hell?
Oh! Remember, he was right! They are aliens!
There are aliens. Oh.
No, remember from one of the cutscenes where he was like, I had my own assumptions what these cats could be, and one of the images was like an alien. He was right.
Right. Hold on, Tony. I'll take it.
Oh, what is going on down here?
Tony. Oh yeah. Hold on. Let me disable it.
Ah! I'm dead.
Let me disable it. There we go.
Yeah. Oh, it worked. Where did that go? I'm dead.
I am not dead.
Oh, the duck. Where did the ball go? Ow.
Where did it go? What?
I don't know. No, Andrew, I know how you can get out of there. I got you.
Okay.
Ow.
Ow.
Can this... Stop that. Can I kill this guy? I don't even think I can. Ow. There, you can get out. Oh wait, no you can't. Oh.
Go.
Oh, that's where this rock leads us. Over here.
Yeah. Okay. Wait. Hold on. All right. And then what?
I feel like I could use that box for something. Oh wait, I know what. I know what. Watch this. Boop.
Where the hell
What
did it
is
go?
going on?
What?
Where did that rock go? Oh, there's a third rock there now.
There.
Ow.
Gems.
Get the gems!
The gem.
The gems. Ugh.
And we got the yarn as well, so we can go.
This cat's bullying me. I don't like it.
I know. I can see that.
It's okay. I'll get out of there alive. Let's go!
No.
How about this
Oh,
way?
the yarn.
Where's the yarn? Oh, it's down. No, but it's down there. You gotta activate. Oh, oh, oh!
Pig.
I'm gonna get this eventually.
Oh, Tony, throw.
Oh. Throw! Oh no, no! You can't get down here. Okay, we're good now. We're good.
Alright,
Throw! Throw!
Come on. Wait, if I shove you. If I. Come on.
Come on. We're gonna get there. Just keep trying. Keep trying. We're not going anywhere.
Ah, I got pig.
I will show you how you get them. Oh no, no.
Yeah, oh yeah, show me.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you. You ready for this?
Show me.
I got the pig. No, no, no.
That's pretty good, Tony. That's pretty good.
I was close. Fucking.
That's pretty good.
I'm gonna get him. Come. Oh, see, look who got him.
We go this way.
Yay.
Oh,
Yay.
Tony, pig sandwich. Aw,
I wanted to get off you. You smelled bad.
I'm still. Oh, there we go.
How do I? Oh, we need the pigs to get over there. I see.
I see.
Now for the test.
Oh no.
Okay, I don't want to try it. I'm too scared. I don't want to get rid of these boys.
We can do it. We have another one. It's okay.
He lives!
Immortal pig.
Immortal pig! No, why are you getting off there? There we go. Hey, no! No.
You can't get out.
Oh. Oh, I can just do that. Okay. Good job, pig. Good job. Let me see.
Oh.
Oh.
Ah.
Easy. Oh wait. Oh, I know what to do. I know what to do. I know what to do. We need the pigs for this, I think. Otherwise, how do we do this?
Hold on,
Wait.
hold on. I can't see.
Well, I don't know I don't know how to help you.
You'll come back.
So Andrew,
Oh, press the. Oh, oops.
you
Press
see, I have to press that button. You gotta get up over there. But how do you get over there? How do you launch yourself? You can't jump that high. Without throw.
Oh.
The only thing I can think of is the pigs, but how do you get them over here?
I don't know how you get pigs.
I mean, I could try.
Alright.
Oh, wait, that goes nowhere.
20 minutes later.
Try.
Wait a sec. I have an idea.
Okay, what's up?
Andrew, you stand on the button. I got this. I think I know how to do this. No, stand on it.
I see it.
No, you gotta stand on it. You can't get off it. Yeah! Oh, it didn't work.
Oh yeah, that works. Tony.
Yeah.
Wait, oh,
Acceleration boost!
nice.
I tried. It was close.
Wait. Up here, where the pigs are.
I jumped too early. What's up?
The pigs
I did it easy! I told you! I freaking told you!
are. How the fuck do I get here?
Well, I don't know. Try. He has done it.
Alright, I'm back.
I'm just completing the level without you right now. Damn it! I'm all the way back here. I made so much progress.
You're fucking roasted.
This game is cruel. It's more cruel than Dark Souls. Oh, I barely snuck through. Ah. And it's a golden hat.
Where's the hat?
What? Do those blocks just never appear again?
Yeah.
You know what this means? I don't think that was intended. How do I get up there? Let me up, please.
Ready? 2, 1, go. Oh.
I'm up. Wait a sec.
Oh, drop.
A bye-bye rock. Ow. Well, there's a platform now, I guess. I think that was the purpose of it. Oh, and then you just do this. Woo!
What's up?
You see, those are the platforms.
Oh.
But now you broke them because you're just shit at this game.
Oh,
Now go. I stand corrected. Buddy! Wanna, like, go where the gem is?
Oh. Oh, hey, what's up?
Ow.
Gem.
Gemmy gem
Wait,
gem.
what was that? 3? What the hell?
Stop breaking the blocks! No!
No!
I'm getting the solid blocks. It's another gem hat. Oh! That's a lot of death.
Hat.
What's over here? Of course, gem. We have gotten all the gemmies.
Wait, Tony.
Golden hat! Ew.
Wait, Tony, I want the hat.
No, it's my hat. Oh no! Whoever gets the hat gets the. No! 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 Oh! 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 I hate you!
Bye, Tony.
No, I don't want to leave. I'm gonna in fact drown myself.
Okay.
Alright, that.
Go
Oh.
put yourself with those saws.
Why is that? How do you get rid of that block? It's shit. Okay.
Oh no, I think it just sits there.
Okay.
Oh.
Now! Go! Oh.
Right,
You know
that's
what?
one.
You throw me. You throw me this time. That's not a throw!
Nice. Wait.
All your fault.
Now. Oh.
Why did you punch me?
I didn't mean to do that.
Now. Yes, I'm gonna punch you in the face.
Now. What about me?
I'm taking this block. This block come with me.
Alright, I'm gonna go through the block then.
How do I... Can I... I can't. I wanted to bring it with me.
Wait. Get the rock. Get the rock.
I can't.
Yeah. Oh wait. Hold on. Let me up. Actually no. I don't want to go up.
How do I... I can't... I...
Oh, there's checkpoints down here.
If I go down here... Oh.
Okay, so we can't. Oh.
Oh! I'm gonna go over here. See what's over here. I didn't mean for you too. I only meant myself. Oh! Oh!
How do you make it past that?
I think I got this. Shit.
Alright, Tony, watch this.
My. No. No.
Throw a grenade. Throw something.
Easy.
Oh,
No more for you.
this is delightful.
Woo.
Oh, shark.
Oh, the shark is here.
Sacra. Oh,
Get out of your egg.
Get out of your egg. Oh.
We must break the egg open. He has been.
Aw. Wait, what the fuck? Oh, ride him. You gotta ride. Oh, god damn it.
I'm gonna kill that thing.
Wait,
It's immune.
oh, bye.
Where's he going?
Bye.
Here! Idiot!
He's indestructible. Wait, what the fuck?
His mouth open.
Oh, he eats you. Wait. I want to see if he actually eats you.
Oh, he died.
I think you have to go inside its mouth, and then it will take you to the promised land. See?
The promised land is out of his ass.
And then it dies. There we go.
No, Andrew, it's not the bird. It's this.
Oh.
See?
Well, yeah, but you needed the bird.
Well, yeah, to get over here. I know how to get there. See? No, where are you going? No.
Oh,
Come here. Come here. Please, come here. Come here. No, what are you doing?
what?
Yes.
Yes.
I don't know what the point of that was.
Oh, Alright, my turn.
It's your turn. You're dead too.
Why?
Not my fault. You jumped into me. There's nothing down there.
Wait,
You
there's
keep-
pigs.
We gotta get them later though. Come in.
Oh, and then throw.
Or we can take this.
Ah, yes, we can take this with us. Wait, move. Yeah. What? Keep pushing.
I can't.
Keep pushing. Come on, push it more.
Uh-oh. I kind of blocked the way we're supposed to go. Why did you push it down there?
Throw.
No point in throw. Yeah, I mean, let's just leave it there. I don't even think we need it.
No. I got it.
I don't.
Call the pigs. Call the pigs.
Why? Come here, pigs. Why?
Wait. And then you go like this, and you keep going.
Oh, I see. I see. Why did he move? No, don't listen to him. I said don't listen. Come, pigs.
Come on.
You'll get up here eventually.
Come on.
No.
No. Okay, well, at least they actually did more time than they actually did in the last level.
Yeah, they actually had a use.
Oh.
We gave them a purpose this time around.
Yeah. It's okay, pigs. We'll come back for you.
Oh no.
Oh my.
Oh no, not that thing.
It's a maze. What the fuck?
It's a maze.
Oh, and then you go like this.
Do 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 do. Do 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 do. What do you mean? No!
Like I'm doing like legit stuff, and you're like doing what?
Oh, there we go.
Oh, you finally made it. I like asked you.
Shut up. All of this big brain. Ooh,
Oh yeah.
ooh. Look, Andrew. Ooh.
Oh, how do you make it? Oh, and then you go like this.
No, you're doing it wrong. It's like ooh, ooh,
Like, ooh.
ooh. See, on me.
Not fuck you.
No.
All me.
We.
Throw.
Oh, this requires a throw.
Tony.
I'm sorry. Try it again. Yes, I'm here for you.
No, you son of.
Wait, what? Where am I? No.
You died.
I did.
Throw.
No. Throw.
And death.
I can't make that.
Oh. Oh.
I can! Oh wait. Do you really think I'm stupid, BattleBlock? Move! Oh no! All your fault.
Let's go.
And now you gain credit for that because you got it.
No.
Deserved.
What? I'm stuck. Oh, there you go. Me just skipping along.
Oh no. You know what's gonna happen as soon as we let that button.
Okay. Get ready.
3, 2, 1, let's go.
Oh, it fell. It can't get us.
You can try.
Run.
Run! Yeah! No! 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 Oh, he can jump! He can jump!
Yeah, there you go.
Woo! Country roads.
Take me home. Oh,
To the place I belong. No! Life isn't worth living. Country roads.
oh, country roads.
Take me home to the place. Where are we going? Oh, this way.
What?
West Virginia. Mountain Mama. Move. Take me home. Move. No, what are you doing?
Oh, wait.
No, this way. I'm sure it's done. You're dumb. Move.
No.
Move.
Okay.
Here. Fuck. There. See? Stupid. I win, you lose. Bye-bye. I spawned all the way back up there.
Alright, we need to...
What are you doing? You're doing this wrong. Move. You're dumb. Move. No, move. Look. No, I'll show it's done. Look. Boom. Easy.
Wait. Wait,
What?
okay. Oh, wait, I'm trapped. I had to get... Oh, wait.
You're not trapped. You're good. Or... Wait. Well, I'm leaving you there. See ya.
No, Tony. Don't be like...
No! I get what I deserve.
Oh,
Move.
there. Just move every single block up. Alright, get down. Alright, there. Oh, nope. And then do that. And then move this one. And then move that one. There.
Hey. Guess who's back? The fleet has arrived. Oh no.
No!
No! He jumped.
No!
That one like ditched you. He's like, no, fuck you.
Tony, you idiot!
You're an idiot. No, come.
No,
Wait, we got all the gems.
let's go.
Andrew, you know how long it's taking us to complete this one chapter?
I know.
An hour and 10 minutes it's taking
Let's
us.
go.
Oh wait, I think we gotta wait till we press this button and then eventually we'll get it over. No, what are you doing? Leave it down there. It's not going anywhere, it's just in a loop. And then we gotta press the switch one and then, you know.
Oh, throw.
What's in here? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! 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 I live.
Alright, my turn.
It's your turn for the gauntlet of doom.
My hands up.
Ow!
Oh.
What was that angle? Ow!
Ow.
Sorry, wrong way. There.
Tony, catch me.
I think I killed him. Come.
Oh. I got
Come.
knocked out.
Come. Yes.
Cat right there. It's gonna die.
Oh, yeah, we're probably gonna... Oh, no. Alright, so I pressed the button. So I think none of us needs to stand there unless we do. But I don't think we don't... Oh, my... Look who's here. Get out of here.
Oh, get out of there.
Wait.
Oh, I see.
Maybe you should go back and... Here. Go back to and press the button and I'll go navigate. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no.
Yeah, Tony.
What? Oh. What sucks for you? Oh, wait, no. We don't have to.
Oh,
Look. See?
What's up?
Oh! Oh, no! The cat army is upon us all. No.
Throw a grenade.
I can't! Help! I'm being sandwiched with a bunch of cats. Ow!
I'm being sandwiched. Grenade.
I killed all of them, but killed myself. I
Nice.
sacrificed my life for civilization.
Alright, now we do this.
There we go.
There.
We only have 5 gems. I'm missing 2.
Oh, I see one.
The pigs can now be gotten. I'm coming, pig. I'm coming, pig.
Nice.
Move away, stupid idiot. Move. Move. Pig, come here. Wait a sec. Can he go in the portal?
What? Oh, we can't go in the portal. Okay, what's up?
No. Make him come. No, he can. Yo. Okay, we're gonna leave him there for now. Cause what if there's something behind here? Exactly.
Yeah, okay. Alright, but what do we do about... Wait, Tony, stand above. No, stand right there as a walking block. Stand right here where I am. And then... Yes! Alright. No. Oh.
Wait a sec. I don't think we're supposed to be doing this.
Dude.
No, Andrew. We're just supposed to do that.
Oh, I see.
You went under.
We're like, oh, we could boost him up, and like we could literally just. Oh. I'm an idiot.
What? We're missing a gem though.
Yeah, we are. I know. Oh.
Do you see it?
No.
What's the point of this jetpack? Oh wait, up here.
Where? Oh, I see. Oh, yarn. Oh my god.
I'm too good. I can't get up here. I can't.
Help me. Tony, you need to.
I can't.
No, I need to.
No. The pig's not gonna come. Look where he is. He's right there.
Wait, Tony. Wait. I'm gonna come up with you. Hold on.
We need the jetpack, I think. Don't waste it. Use it once and then just jump.
Do not spam it. Okay, yeah. Okay. Fuck.
What? I didn't mean to use it there. This is gonna be annoying.
Eventually.
Let's freaking go, Andrew! Let's go!
Wait. Can we go? Yes, we can go now.
Yeah, we can go. This level took way too long. No, the pig's over there! Get over here!
Let's go.
No, pig! Oh, yay! Yay! Not the last. I don't think it's the last level yet. I think it was like another world or chapter.
Oh, wow.
Pig.
Oh no, they captured the pig. No.
Of course they did. Of course they did. These cats suck.
Slide to the left. Boom. Slide. Oh wait, no. Slide to the left. Boom. Slide to the right. Boom. Crisscross. Okay.
Yeah, I didn't want to hear your shit. Alright, the best levels. I love these levels. Because it's like under time limit. Also, I love the music. Do, 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 Uh-oh, UFO cat.
Tony, help me.
How did you get over there? You're gonna be okay, Andrew. I am progressive. Oh! Oh no! No, 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 no. Oh wait, hang on.
No, I want that.
There's something here. No? Oh, okay.
No. No, I want that yarn. Tony. Oh.
Wait a sec, what are you supposed to do here?
Oh, kill it.
I don't think so.
Alright, killed it. Alright, now.
Meow.
Meow, 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 meow.
No! Oh my god. Andrew, it sounded like you like busted a big fat nut. Oh! There we go. What's up here? How do you... Oh wait, hang on.
Boost.
Boost. Oh, boost!
Oh.
Oh!
Bye.
Yeah, you boost me this time. Get up here. Get up here.
Oh. There we go. Alright, now you boost me.
Oh wait, we can just do this. We're stupid.
Wow, we're amazing.
We're very dumb at this. See? Wait. Oh, we're supposed to use the wings to get over here. Wait. Oh, up here maybe. Never mind. I'm confused. No, we're wasting time. Okay, we have a minute. We're good. We're good. All your fault. Are you kidding me?
Made it.
Stupid. Here, look. Andrew, look.
Ah.
Now look, we can get across. Oh, so many rocks.
I see that.
Oh my god, the teleporting's hurting my ears.
Oh my god, it's so loud.
I got him.
Why
Easy.
is it so loud?
Easy.
Oh. Rock. Toss.
There.
Oh. Go.
Oh. Yeah, I didn't realize that. Whatever, we're rolling it like it's this. Ah. Yes. We are rolling, Andrew.
We're just this good.
We're too good. We're too good.
No.
No. Ah!
Yes.
My corpse wasn't in vain. Why did you kill him? He wasn't doing anything.
He was shooting stuff.
Yeah, but that's about it. It's not like he was trying to kill you.
Oh, run.
What? Oh no!
Incinerate us.
Run, run, run. Oh, oh. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. I made it. Ow, those grenades. They're spitting out grenades. Ow.
No. Oh.
No.
No.
Ah, 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 ah. Oh, I'm progressing. No. No, not back here. This is chaotic as hell. Oh my god. I'm in a loop of death.
I made it. Pig.
Pig. Jewel thieves.
Jewel
Give me. Give me. Where's he going? Bastard. You get the gem? Oh, it's right there. Yes. Pig.
Pig. Pig. Oh. No.
Oh, the yarn. Get the yarn. I was almost about to leave. Let's go! Let's go! We're too good. Look, we equals once again.
Let's go roses. I'm famous.
As to what am I?
As to what
I admire your tenacity. Truly I do. For show. But things have really gotten out of control here.
Uh-oh.
We've all quickly gone from precocious, lovable scamps to problematic liabilities.
Uh-oh.
How ridiculous. Are we truly the only sane people on this twisted island?
No.
Or perhaps we're the crazy ones?
Yeah,
They're
probably.
all sane. What a twist that would be. No, that's impossible. These guys are bat poop crazy. We gotta get to Hattie ASAP. As soon as we're home like a bullet. Super fast. But you gotta get through that vault and get that key first. And this particular vault is more dangerous than telling a girl she's chubby. Oh my god! I know, right? It's a poop-inducing nightmare in
You
there.
can't
You're
tell a
gonna be
girl
killed
chubby, I
until you're
guess.
dead. But you know, put your big girl panties on. Everybody has problems. And not to add another ingredient to your rich, chunky stew of personal problems, the staff's out for blood now. They mean business. Their spirits have grown far too weary, children. And a weary spirit requires sustenance. Rich buttery sustenance. Sustenance is only sustained by killing Hattie and starting this insanity all over again with a new person. What a counterproductive,
Oh, no.
futile charade this is. When will they shatter their shackles of ignorance to transcend the bane of their self-afflicted misery? When will they stop being stupid, crazy, dumb jerks? Everyone's kind
don't
of
know.
sick of it. But I guess there's no reason
I'm
for
not.
madness. Or cats, for that matter. Seriously, try talking sense into a cat. They just stare at you with their lifeless, patronizing eyeballs for like a couple of seconds, and then they just walk away. And then you're like, don't turn your back on me. And they're like, nah. And then you're all like, and then they're all like, nah. But it is what it is, I guess.
Andrew talking to
So
his
are you
dogs.
ready for the most importantly important mission of your entire life? I hope so.
it's
It's
our
time
boat.
to show these guys they picked the wrong boat of friends to tangle with. Just hold on a little longer, homie. We're coming for you.
Look, it's you.
It'd be nice if you could meet us halfway, but you know,
Thanks.
You're
I'm
so
buff.
Nah.
Yeah, so buff. I'm just like
Is
not there.
is it? I think we're almost done here.
Yep. Oh.
Is this the final chapter?
gems?
That's a lot of gems.
Well, yeah, because these are all the gems we've collected, and Hattie's like, "Ha, this is mine now."
I see. I guess we're gonna leave this chapter for the next episode. Ooh, yes, it's one of those cliffhangers, but it's not really good because we're not a big YouTuber. That was the perfect ending.